When you take pictures of people outdoors, do you usually have them facing the light with the sun at your back? Harsh sun directly on your subject can be rather unflattering. It makes people squint and kind of look like, and unless you want that, maybe you should try something else. Try backlighting, where you're actually shooting into the sun. But not like that. Try it when the sun is lower in the sky. It's easier than you may think. It just takes some practice. There are different styles of backlighting. Let's start with the simplest one, the silhouette. Let's say you want to take a picture of your special person with the sunset in the background. For the silhouette, you'll want more background than subject. That's right. Background, subject. Here's what you do. Meter on the background, not on your subject's face, and take your shot. It's just that simple. Now let's say you want to take a picture of someone in front of a sunset, but you don't want them in silhouette. You want their face to light up. For that, you would need to add artificial light to your subject. Again, well, but maybe not like this. Again, meter for the background, not your subject. Then add that artificial light or a flash. It's best if you can hold that light off to the side of your subject. Now, another way to use background lighting is to give your subject a soft look. This time, meter for your subject. Your background is going to be way overexposed, but that's okay. You just want to think about how your subject is going to be lit. You can enhance the light on your subject's face by adding a reflector or something else nearby that's going to reflect light, like a tree trunk, a wall, anything that's going to add light. Here's a couple of examples of rim-lit subjects. This is a different type of lighting. It's a little more sophisticated. As you can see, in rim lighting, you can even have the sun in your shot. You'll meter for your subject, and again, your background is going to be way overexposed. Now this time, you may have to make adjustments in post-processing to lighten up your subject's face. So there you have it. Remember, practice is everything. Start out easy with a silhouette and work your way up to more sophisticated shots. Would you like more information about backlighting? Come into Horn Photo and ask our experts. Got the picture?